Number one, I want to tell you first, in this party we are family. The Chinese have a saying where they say when you dig a grave for a man, dig two. And I want to speak to you about something. Yeah, now it's right, I'm there. Mbisa, you never me
Give my phone terug.
Wie? Is te zwaar, hè? Kijk hier.
Ik heb nou mijn phone, hè? Mijn rechter hier.
Ja, kijk hier, what do you the life is not going to be long, people need to sleep, so let me...
Want water?
Please get me, just the fridge is that you go around it.
Als hij hike to you.
No man, thank you. Just go get me water, man. So, Patriots, we are family, never forget that. But what I want to speak to you about is that the reason why I said you must come up 12 o'clock, because I've got something to show you, which I didn't want roof kickers. I checked now, there's no roof kickers here so far. The SG and send me a message on my other phone now that they also check. They don't see the roof kickers because this is crucially important. I'm sorry. Zo'n bizar. Je hebt een bizar over dwal. The water is just here, Patriots. Give me 30 seconds, né? 30 seconds. I just want to get water because this is important what I'm going to tell you now. 30 seconds, I promise. Just 30 seconds. I'm just going to grab water. And check where's on Biza. Biza probably got lost. And then I'm just going to grab water. Because what I tell you now, I'm too thirsty. I can't just say it. It is the biggest thing. I'm going to say it and I'm going to sleep. You have to know this. Let me just get water quickly.
Kom op, Patriots. Kom op. Kukurukuku. Kom op. As die mensen nog wakker raso. As die mensen nog wakker raso. Skrik alles het wakker. Ons is tussen soos 'n nissen. Ons is binne buite. We not gonna see you later. Ons is hier pres, ek dink die mense is geskok soos wat hulle hier is. Die mense is geskok, hulle sê nog. Die mense is geskok soos wat hulle. Ek is by die huis. Welcome home, homie. Ek is by die huis. We only have us. Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis. Hoe sê hulle? We only have us. Hoe sê hulle? Ek is mos alaitie. Ons mos gesê ek is alaitie. You a child. Nou sê ek daarom by my pa. En jou pa se kind. Daar is hy. Hy by die huis. Ons gaan toch help. Staan. Ons is familie. Hulle stuur net over ons platte bak. Wie is hier verraaier? Ek sal hom nooit uitverkoop nie. Nooit. Salut. Ons bysa die. Ons bysa die. Charlie bysa die op die einde. As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot. As mos nooit 'n asblik vir 'n Patriot nie. Ons kom sê ook hallo. Ons sê hallo hier. Ons is hier, ons is by die huis en Patriots, as 'n ding wat ek wil sê. Is baie maklik om hierdie ding te kyk en allerlei dinge te dink wat nie die waarheid is nie. En vanaand wil ek eintlik die waarheid vertel. En ek dink ek moet iets regstel. Ashley, you'll remember in the committee, I almost said Prezi is leading a dictatorial party. Yes. A one-man show and all of that. Ek het mos so gesê. Yes. But he said something in the committee.
Hy het iets gesê wat my binne my siel geslaan het. Ek het nie 'n comeback vir die ding gehad nie. Niks van 'n comeback.
Nee, maar ek wil het hem wat het jou gediek.
Jarr.
Het jou gediek.
Kyk hier, ek het 7 minute gehad. 7 out of 25. Ek het 7 out of 25 gehad. Maar daai ander 18.
Het jou gediek.
Jarr. Man sê, wat sê die ek? Ek sê, help my. Maar hy het 'n ding gesê, man. Hy het gesê, you call me a dictator. Jy sê ek is 'n dictator. When your party don't have one colored person as a minister or deputy minister, despite colored people making up the overwhelming majority of the party's vote. Now, when he said that thing, toe hy daai ding gesê het, ek het gesit. As 'n moment wat ek eintlik my hele asem ingesluk het. Like ek's honger van die asem. En toe dit gebeur, toe sê ek nee, oom Biza, is tyd vir my om aan die huis neer te klap. Is tyd vir my om huis toe te kom. Is tyd vir my om uiteindelik te sê, ek Biza nie. En Patriots, ek wil net baie dankie sê, dat julle almal my met liefde aanvaar. Ek is baie, baie dankbaar, want dis die hoe 'n Patriot moet wees. Dis hoe ons is. En ek kan die liefde voel. Ek het die liefde van Umbiza gevoel. Die liefde van Pres gevoel. Because if there's one person on this earth who had every single right to make sure that I'm not sitting where I'm sitting, is Pres. I attacked him relentlessly for 3 years. Hom aangeval, 3 jaar.
Now, what made you come? What made you come over? You know? Especially because, I mean, somebody's going to say, you then called that party a dictatorial party. What is it that made you during this time think, yes?
You know, you expect your own to defend you. En ek sit daar en ek is hamers in die parlement, ek doen my gedoentes. And I get told, tone it down. Sit stil. Dis jou boksie? Moenie groter as jou boksie wees. I get told that. After Tuesday. The very same people that you expect to defend you is the people that will put a knife in your back and stab you from the front also. Just to say he did it himself. That is why I'm sitting here today. Because I was accepted. Ek was aanvaar. Met hart en siel.
The guy who had all the reason.
Every single reason in the world. That man, I almost told you, ek het hom aangeval behoorlik 3 jaar. 3 jaar. 2022 to 2025. As net ek maak geraas. Kyk, dit, Kenzie, dat. Maar ek is gestuur. Hy sê, jy moet het so maak. Jy moet hom slaan. Jy moet hom slaan. Nobody else. Ek moet hom slaan. Ek, a young colored person, ek moet nou vir nog 'n colored mens sê, nee, ek gaan hom kry. En Patriots, verkeerd is verkeerd. You can't make a wrong right and you can't make a right wrong when you look at something that is blatantly wrong like that. Because we do believe most in second chances aside.
Yeah, and especially him.
Especially him.
You got a second chance. And that's really his heart. It's like a genuine thing. His heart. You can do whatever. This is one thing about our president. He's authentic. He's genuine. What you get with him, you get.
And that's
You've
what I told.
experienced that, right?
Yeah.
And the thing about second chances, there's nothing that you can do in this party that will make us hate. Not just you, any patriot. And that's him. It's like he always says if he got a second chance, who is he not to give
Other people.
another second chance?
And
How did you feel when you, as you say, your own party didn't? You told me about an experience that you had with the chief whip of the party.
it's him. He got me in a No, it was at the CTICC.
Yeah.
And I'm walking to the sitting, and he catches me walking, and he says, tone it down. All of the respect that you are getting, you gaan het verloor, it gaan backfire. And when because we had arranged a meeting, ons het 'n meeting gearrange vir donderdag. Ek sê vir hom, Chief, ons gaan op donderdag praat. Donderdag, so ons 'n meeting op donderdag. Wat sê hy? Ons gaan nie donderdag praat nie. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? Ek, sy kollega, die mens wat hy moet defend. Hoekom gee jy vir my cheek? En ek sê donderdag, en hy loop en hy sê, is klaar wat het so is. Ons gaat die donderdag nie. Maak ek my phone oop, and I see, your meeting is cancelled for Thursday. A fair chance, an opportunity to explain my side.
Something that they told you to do.
Yes, something they said, I want to speak to you, arrange. Then they say, on the Thursday, or on the Wednesday, for the Thursday, no, it's cancelled. Of a 2-minute interaction.
And the point is, you have to now shut up. You have to now not get opportunity anymore for something that you did that they told you to do.
Exactly.
But then you wake up now and you see in the media, newspapers are saying, Gaten that you be back and all that. How did you feel when you saw, instead of him coming and doing the same, instead he tells Patriots and others, don't do what the rest is doing to Liam? How did that make you feel?
As a liar, he's a liar. When I saw that, I saw what a leader is supposed to be. Yeah. I saw compassion. I saw somebody who lead from a place of love, who lead with people in his heart, with people in his mind. That's not immense. And die liefde wat ek gekry het.
Yeah.
Die ware liefde. Mens kan ons voel as die liefde nie waar is nie. As dit van Kong is, as dit soos hy baksteen van wat jy.
Sek. En dit is warm nou, goeie liefde. Dit is so koud as dit hier nie is.
Is warm, jy moet tabie sweet hierso.
You know, there's there's something else you told me. When
Come tell him what is a double
What's a double ganger?
Come tell him what is a double ganger. Is it
As die nie dubbel gaan hê.
Wat is hy?
As iemand wat so sê, is 'n clown. Is 'n clown.
Oh, so letterlik as dit gemaak
As
word.
ons jou fout hè.
Ja.
Né? Is porre se fout, is altyd hy sê.
Altyd 'n baksteen. Maar die een is vervelings en die ander is
Kykie,
wilde.
ek het 'n nuwe phone wat presse mee gekoop het. Ek sê nou wys hy phone. Kykie,
Yes.
tell me that thing, man. When you are asking, why doesn't Khaled get promoted in the GA?
Yes.
Dis is honger.
Aish!
Hey joh. Word ek sommer
Jy moet gebruik met kos.
Ja nee.
Kyk
Hoe sê hulle stammer politics?
Ja, kyk jy.
Stammer
Wat op die
politics.
brein, weet jy oor die bord nie.
As haar stammer politics.
Hier is ons betaal hè. Wat op gebruik met kos. Hulle is hier nie honger maar hè.
Baie honger.
Yes.
Kyk,
Pres.
kom ek sê jou. Wat gebeur nou? Nou is ons in Durban. As ons Durban toe kom. Nou kom ons Biza uit die Kaap uit. And Biza's coming out of Cape Town. Because Liam, ne? There's some cold drinks and stuff. And ice. Now, Biza's coming all the way from Cape Town, but it's coming with Liam. But niemand wil ons sien nie, man.
Niemand heeft mij gezien.
Ja, het is donker.
Undercover. Oh, is weer die volle dag. Wat
Kijk hier. Nou sit ek in die plane in. In die plane, I'm telling you a true story. Is die hele EFF Malema, that is deputy, Kadi, Charles, myself, Biza, Liam. En die held door die parlement is dat die mense begin te kyk. Hou dit of nie? Jy gesien? Die jongens hier, man. Die jongens hier. Patriot, let me tell you something. You know? And this is from the bottom of my heart. You know when Liam made contact with us, he said something, he said,
I'm coming. I don't care if you guys want me to open the gate, the PA, if you guys want me to wash cars. Ek kan nie my mense beklei nie, man. You know, for me, when he said that, ek kan nie my mense beklei nie. Ek kan nie my mense beklei nie. Ek gee nie om nie, wat hulle gaan doen my nie, or whether I'm gonna wash cars or thing. Ek kom PA toe, waar kan ek gaan klere koop? Ek gaan daar beteer en hulle gaan koop by hulle. Ek ooit die gaan koop, ek gaan vir jou bring. Maar as ek vir hom sê, ek gaan koop, dan gaan hulle hoor, koop die klere. But I want to say to you from the bottom of my heart, you know, we believe in young talent. We believe in grooming people to become the best version of themselves. Yeah, no, please sit, it's fine. As je hier hoort, dan is het spookreizer.
Jy sê koek.
En dan sê hy nog
But with us here, your home, I can promise you, the Patriots, they will treat you with all the love. You will see when you go and work in Ward 34, daar word jy reg graf gehoor. Jy moet terug gaan by die graf.
Kan ek 'n vars graf kry?
Ja, asseblief, Bradley.
Ja, hy gaan roestig
Ja, bring 'n vars graf. But what I want to say to you is that your home, yes, your home. Let me tell you, we will never turn against you here. Never. I'm saying this on a life. My people know loyalty is everything to us. Love for each other is everything. And we're just a family, man. We're just a family. If one makes a mistake, we help each other. And I can tell you, keeping this secret was very hard. Yo, people are like, but the funny part is now, my protectors, my security team, is picking me up at the lounge, at the minister's lounge. So I said, let's go around, let's go and get Umbiza. So we go around to the airport to find Umbiza. So Umbiza comes with Liam. One of the security guys, one of the security personnel says, is dit daai jong dierie? Ek vra, ek hou my dom man. Wat jong? Daai fucking jong man. Charles Bart is waar die lag. Hy het nie lag ek ook maar hè. Loop op sy die kar sien sê. Ja, maar hulle keer man, die man se mag is so swak. Die was amper die hele kar bekat. Now let me tell you, Liam is genuine. He's home. He can tell you stories about, they're gonna accuse him of everything. But you see, there's a saying that says the wise man changes his mind. There's so many people of the DA that speak to me and they've got 10 million questions. Yeah, I want to come, but this is what I want. I want to make sure this. This young man came and he said, as my car was with the PA, ek kom huis toe. And you know, he touched me and he says, no, ek is nog van geld die ek het. Bietjie gespaar, ek het gewerk het. Ek werk 'n jaar raak het gespaar, maar sê vir my, maar ek kom huis toe. Ons het jou nodig hier as die PA. Hy sê, maar die mense nie, ek sê, jy ken nie die Patriots nie. Hy mense, jy ken nie die mense nie. Hulle liefde. Hy mense gaan jou defend. Patriots staan sterk. Maak die honde los môre. Dat hulle gaan kom vir ons. Ons is reg. Hulle gaan kom kry, die honde is reg. Ons honde is nie vas nie. Ons honde is los. En Umbiza. Yes. Thank you. Umbiza. Jy was die man wat die tussenganger was tussen ek en Liam. Jy is die man wat ek vertrou het om te sê, go talk to him. Go say this. I mean, like, I just saw you in the live now when I was inside the room. Liesel Pennington. She was like saying, welcome home. No, that you're as Liesel's one far. As Liesel.
How do you know Liesel Pennington?
No, but I told you the funniest story, ne? So I said, Eugene, I need to speak to you. He says, about what? I said, I just need you to make sure that
Kijk net hoe morgens, Charles. Ik moet zeggen, jullie moeten zien hoe morgens die wit mensen hier. En ik wil net tot haar gaan. Kijk hoe morgens die wit mensen hier.
It's a crime scene.
Ja, kan hulle ook niet recht eten. Kan hulle niet...
You know what I like, ne? Daarom is die bloed nou op die vloer en nie teen die muur nie.
Yeah.
Because that is most what we do.
Yes.
You know? It's not anymore of fighting each other. Is nie weer hy van ons beklei teen mekaar nie. Ons beklei nie
Kan die
weer.
Petrus hoor, is die speaker toegemaak nie. Ja, die hy sê.
Sê hy bak.
Jy moet so hou.
Ek hom so.
Ja. So Petrus, Liam is by die huis. Kom julle huis toe mense, Here, hulle weet wat gaan daar aan man. Hulle weet dan.
Kom.
Sê kom met die mense wat gaan daar aan.
You said you spoke to Eugene.
Oh yeah, I want to tell you about Eugene. That was the funniest part. Charles is already laughing. So now I'm telling Eugene, I said, Eugene, can you just check for me if with the issue of Liam, ne? He says, we're back there again. I said, no, I want you to check. Get his CV and check what degree does he have so we can see where we can slot him in. He's like, slot him where? So I had to trust Eugene and tell him. So after I told Eugene, he says, maar die lewe is maar snacks, jong. Ja, ek het gister met die jong bedleef vandag.
Only in the PA.
Only the PA.
Only
The SG. Well, she obviously she has to know. Is the SG. Maar die SG bly my bel. Is amper 12 uur. Wanneer begin jou live? Wanneer begin jou live? Ek sê SG, sê daar geken man. So Petrus, ek wil vir julle sê dankie. Liam is by die huis. Hier ga jy sien man. Ombiza.
Yes, sir.
Ja, Ombiza weer. Ek sien gister as jy my bel jou stem. Dat ek gou iets drink my keel.
Ek sê
Welcome
vir
home,
hom,
man.
as big brother nie.
Welcome
My
home.
groot broodie. Ja,
Welcome home.
I don't know how to say. Ek is baie gelukkig. So wat ek hier sit, staan die smile van hier tot hier. Ek is klaar gesmile. My wange is glad seer, my kieste is seer van die gesmilery. Yes.
You know what makes me happy?
What?
That the plan that they've always had, I feel like die tyd het aangebreek dat ons breek nou die plan. Die plan dat ons altyd mekaar moet beklei. Ons het al leer wat ons by mekaar bring. Ons is die generation.
Ja, jy moet hier kom hoor wat.
Wat die mense, wat onze land, onze mense, onze hele land bij elkaar. So, Patriots, we love you. He's onze kind. He's by the huis. Honorable Chief Hope Marlon Daniels, you were right. Tell him.
This is where I say om te sê, ek is nou by pa se huis.
You were right. He's a child, but now he's past a kind.
Daar sê. And that's why I say, hoe lyk hulle? Ma se kind.
Petrus, moenie baie zijn nie.
Nie baie nie. Ons baie is nooit hier so.
Ons baie zijn nooit hier. Ons kom met Liam. Ek kom ons voorbij toe. Gaan nie naby Watery voor. Nelson Mandela by. Gaan die Drakensberg toe. Ek het hom gesê, ek het nog nie liefde gevoel. Ek sê, liefde voel as hy daar kom. As die Landela op die gronde van Mosselbaai en die EG sal hom môre lyn gee. Maar hy saam met ons. Much respect, Liam. Ne? Thank you so much for your trust. We are together. No matter what they say about you, God knows who you are.
Thank you, please.
And you've given your all, man. He's no peer, he's brace. He defends ons, man. Salute.
Salute.
Ek hoor die mense dit sê, bye-bye.
Sorry.
Patriots. Waar is die hoofkijkers, man?
Come on, brother.
See, this is genuineness. Check here. Check there. Check there.
Dis hy daai.
So, Patriots het gehoor. Wat gaan vir wat? Let us thank you for waking up or staying awake until 12 o'clock. Charles, are you okay? So thank you for being who you are. I really love you guys and I appreciate you guys and may God bless you and we are all that we have. To the guys, they're still fighting us. Los Marai, man. Los Marai, ons is together here. We are together. We have shown people. I'm very emotional because I can't be the leader of the party forever. We need to bring up young people to come and take over. You know, this boy just, like, he's very emotional inside there now. You know, and I say boy respectfully because he's a young man. Very smart. Thank you, Patriots. Let's build our people. Dat is onze mensen gaat halen. Dat onze mensen gaat halen. Dat onze mensen... Dat ons die Patriots moet warm voelen, man. I want to thank you guys. SG, thank you for the way you handle this thing. Thank you, SG. And to everybody, as jy die players vandag aan, jy eintlik die torenaar. Let me someone get that one out quickly. You know, you have to understand the Patriotic Alliance, man. We explained to him the PA. You will never find me taking the PA. Even if I'm angry with Patriots. Because ek verstaan, these was the kinders of the toekomst. This is our children's dream. Love you guys. I do. And thank you. I don't want to keep you any longer, but I'm so excited, eh? They were so hungry, they couldn't even sit at a restaurant to eat. They came all the way in. I'm sorry, I can only feed them sandwiches at this time of the night. Otherwise, with this vlees bakken, goed as was I. Yeah, Patriots, you don't understand.
Wow, did anyone else feel that political tremor this weekend? Because South Africa's parliament just got a plot twist straight out of a Netflix drama. I'm talking about none other than Liam Jacobs. Yes, the 24-year-old firecracker MP from the Democratic Alliance, who just did what no one saw coming. He jumped ship, and not quietly. No formal resignation letter, no teary press conference, just a casual heads up to his regional leader and boom, the Patriotic Alliance snatches him up like a Black Friday special. Let's unpack this wild ride. So, first things first, who is Liam Jacobs and why should you care? Well, Liam isn't just another suit in the background of Parliament. He's young, he's loud, and he's been setting Parliament alight since he took office after the 2024 election. Before that, he was running things in the DA's student organization, which basically makes him a varsity legend turned national player. The guy's been trending on social media more than some A-list celebs, and not for fashion tips. People love him, people hate him, but nobody ignores him. And then Saturday morning hits. While most of us are just figuring out whether we want eggs or toast, the Patriotic Alliance drops a bombshell on social media. Welcome Liam Jacobs, our newest member. That's right, just like that. No press briefing from the DA, no party farewell, the man didn't even hand in a formal resignation. All we know is he called Joe Maglua, the DA's Northwest leader, and told him he was out. It's giving, I quit via WhatsApp energy. Now, this whole thing gets spicier when you realize Jacobs had just clashed with none other than PA President Gayton McKenzie earlier that same week. Like, literally days before jumping to McKenzie's party. During a heated portfolio committee meeting on sports, arts and culture, Jacobs apparently rubbed Gayton the wrong way. McKenzie accused him of being disrespectful, and publicly called him out, saying the DA got most of the colored vote but didn't bother to put colored people in real positions of power. Ouch. Now, let's pause right there. That comment by McKenzie, it wasn't just about Jacobs. It was aimed right at the DA's Achilles heel, representation. For years, the DA has faced criticism about being out of touch with the communities that actually vote for them. And here comes McKenzie, with his signature no-filter style, dragging that issue front and center, right in front of Jacobs. So what does Jacobs do? He jumps sides. It's like a plot twist where the villain becomes your new boss. And now, the same guy who was getting roasted by McKenzie is sitting at his table. You really couldn't script it better if you tried. But let's not ignore the bigger picture here. Jacobs isn't just some backbencher. He's young, he's media savvy, and he's been vocal about shaking up the system. His move sends a signal, not just to the DA, but to the whole political landscape, that the old ways of doing things might not cut it anymore. And whether you love the PA or can't stand them, you have to admit, they just scored a major PR win. Now, let's talk optics. The DA says Jacobs didn't officially resign, which means, technically, he might still be on their books. That's awkward. Imagine being dumped and the person still has a key to your house. That's where we are right now. It's giving very ghosted but still shows up at the braai energy. But let's also look at this from Jacob's perspective. Maybe he saw a ceiling in the DA. Maybe he realized he could shout into the mic all he wanted, but no one at the top was listening. Maybe he felt Gayden's party was actually walking the walk when it came to empowerment, especially for young leaders of color. Or maybe he just wanted a new stage, new vibes, new smoke. Whatever the case, the Patriotic Alliance wasted no time in rolling out the welcome mat. And trust me, when Gayden McKenzie backs someone, he does it with fire. The PA isn't exactly known for being quiet or moderate, so if Jacobs was looking for a space to be bold, controversial, and front-page material, he's found it. So what happens now? Well, buckle up. This move is going to spark debates about loyalty, representation, youth in politics, and race, all in one go. You've got DA loyalists calling him a traitor, PA fans cheering like they just won the lotto, and the rest of us just sitting here with popcorn watching it all unfold on Twitter. And you know what? That's not a bad thing. Because for all the drama and theatrics, South African politics needs this energy. We need young people like Jacobs to shake up the system. We need bold moves. We need people who aren't afraid to say, you know what? This isn't working for me anymore, I'm out. Whether or not you agree with Jacobs' move, you can't deny it's woken people up. And now, with elections always lurking around the corner, this kind of shift could ripple across constituencies. Will other young MPs follow suit? Will the DA finally address its internal issues with diversity and representation? Will the PA become the new home for the so-called unheard voices? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, Liam Jacobs just went from being a feisty MP to a political headline. And judging by how this story's unfolding, he's just getting started. So stay tuned, because in South African politics, the plot always thickens.